Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you have like a piped gas to your house, you should be aware that how to turn it off in case of any disaster, right? Disasters don't happen always, and they do not even happen often, but whenever they happen, they do not warn you, right? It happens without warning. So while it is very important to keep all your systems upgraded and maintained and checked, it's also important to know that how to control the situation in case of anything that goes wrong, right? So this is what we are gonna see in this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. So guys, this is the gas inlet in my house. This is the place from where it is coming, and all the way it is going into this meter, and from there it's going inside my house. Okay, now if there's a problem, I should be aware how to turn it off. So what I will do here, you see this wall, this I am gonna move it and make it with here, like I'm gonna make these two areas, these two holes together, and that's it. It's gonna be done. You see there are marking open and closed, right? So if I move it here, it's gonna be closed, and that's what you must know, because in case of any disaster, like, you should have proper tools. I do have tools which I can hold it over here and move it down. So you should know how to turn it off, and this way you can protect your house if there's a disaster. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.